Ever pondered how a humble piece of parchment metamorphoses into a stunning avian, a dainty bloom, or even a complex geometrical form? Welcome to the enchanting realm of origami, the Nippon craft of manipulating parchment into ornamental shapes and figures. This day we explore the lexicon of origami, a distinctive diction that instructs each bend, wrinkle, and twirl of this engrossing, artistic expression. The scene begins with our focus on creases. We see these as lines born out of the act of folding and pressing a sheet of paper. These creases serve as our map, leading us on to the subsequent stages of the origami model. Next, our spotlight shifts to the fold, the pulsating core of origami. A fold is merely the act of bending or doubling over a segment of paper. Coming up, we reference the pleat, a crease in paper that is folded over and flattened. Picture a pleated skirt, yet on a far lesser scale, and you'll grasp the concept. Among the most emblematic origami shapes is the origami crane. This classic figure looks like a crane bird and frequently symbolizes peace and longevity. In the critical segment of origami, the valley fold and the mountain fold are discussed. The valley fold involves a folding technique that makes the folded paper take on the shape of the letter V. On the other hand, the mountain fold is essentially an inverted V. Have you come across the term crisp paper? In the art of paper folding or origami, crisp symbolizes a precise, distinct edge or fold. The term base refers to the initial shape or structure in origami which paves the way for intricate designs. Consider it as the groundwork of your origami masterpiece. Locate the scene where the reverse fold and squash fold techniques are discussed. Look for the part where it's explained how a prior fold is undone and then folded the opposite direction, akin to retracing your steps to make a bigger leap. Also, seek out the segment where the squash fold technique is outlined, detailing how a flap of paper is firmly pressed down to generate a specific form. The scene unfolds with the paper crane, an ancestral origami figure taking the form of a crane bird, akin to the classic origami crane, but crafted through a divergent folding method. We then transition to petals, the singular sections or fragments of paper in specified origami patterns. They instill the design with intricacy and multidimensionality. We come upon the swivel fold, a fold method involving a rotational or pivotal movement of a paper section at the fold line. Think of it as a choreographed step for the paper. Finally, we come to the lock, a technique used in origami to secure a fold and prevent it from unraveling. This is an essential element in maintaining the of your masterpiece. So, there we have it. The dialect of origami, a distinctive fusion of artistry, geometry, and exactness. From creases and folds to bases and locks, each terminology plays a vital part in converting a plain piece of paper into an artistic creation. When you next hold a piece of paper, recall these terms and unveil the enchantment of origami.